think it'd be awesome to build the next awesome Apple smartphone, design amazing game controllers like the Wii Remote, build and design electric airplanes and fly them like crazy, build robots, work on the self-driving car, or even design solar panels to save the environment. Well, all of these amazing creations and opportunities and inventions are all built on the few simple, fundamental principles that you are going to explore starting right now. Once you dive into this kit, you'll be using the same technology and principles as rocket scientists and robot creators. You'll stop dreaming about the future and start growing your brain through hard work by building things right now. As you use a circuit board called a MakeyMakey, you'll flow electricity through circuits to hack and create new game controllers for your favorite online computer games. Get ready, because there is no telling what you will create when you get started right now.
Hello, and welcome to your very first experience with a MakeyMakey. Today, with this MakeyMakey, you are taking your very first step to learning how electronics work. You may be wondering what a MakeyMakey is, and I could give you some very boring explanation, but let's just jump right in. First, take your MakeyMakey out of the box and plug the USB into your computer. And if at any point throughout this video we move too fast, don't hesitate to pause it. Now, take the MakeyMakey that is connected to your computer and take the black alligator clip. Put one of them to the hole in the MakeyMakey that says Earth.
This Earth line is where you plug in the black or ground cable. It can go in any of these holes and it doesn't make a difference.
Now, take the white alligator clip and plug one side into the hole that reads space.
This is the space button.
And go into the search bar. Type in your name and then scroll into the middle of it. See what happens with your screen. That's kind of cool, huh? Now, why does this happen? As the circuit is connected, your computer then is told to press the space bar, which therefore creates that huge space that you saw in your name. Why does this happen? Well, it's because you created a circuit. Circuits are what give power to your phone, your computer, your video game controllers, your TV, and so many other electronics that you use daily. How does it work? Well, creating a circuit allows electricity to flow from one point to another. Similar to water in a pipe, if there's a hole in the circuit, the electricity can't get to its destination. However, when you connect the alligator clips, the electricity goes through this contact point. Now, touch the black alligator clip with one hand, and then when you touch the white alligator clip with your other, see what happens. That's kind of cool, huh? So what happened when you touched both alligator clips at the same time? Well, you were the one to complete the circuit. That means that instead of going through the point of contact, the electricity actually traveled through your own body. Wait, how did that not electrocute you? It's simple. The amount of electricity that's flowing is so low that it could never hurt you. Now let's see what other materials besides your own body conduct electricity. We're going to change it up a little bit here. So take the alligator clip that's connected in space and instead plug it into where it says click.
This is the click button.
Now, get out your Play-Doh. Take half of it and plug the other side of the white alligator clip into your Play-Doh. Now, move your cursor over the video that you're watching. You can move it over my face if you want. Now take the black alligator clip in one hand and just touch the Play-Doh like that and let go, and then touch it again and just play with that for a little bit. Now let's see what else conducts. Let's try the lid of the Play-Doh. So remove the white alligator clip from the Play-Doh itself, and instead clip it onto the lid. Now let's try it again. Take the black alligator clip in one hand and just touch the lid with your other one. Nothing happens. I guess plastic's not conductive. Alright, now let's try the aluminum foil. So unplug it from the lid, and put that back on the Play-Doh, and then clip it to the aluminum foil. Now, we'll do the same thing. Take the black, make sure your cursor is over my face, take the alligator clip in one hand, and just touch the aluminum foil. Did the video pause? It's conductive. Alright, now let's try a pencil. So unplug the white from the aluminum foil and just put it on the pencil. And then, again, take the black alligator clip in one hand and just touch the pencil. Did anything happen? I guess this pencil is not conductive. But it's wood on the outside. What if we were to take it, so unplug it, and take the pencil and a little pad of paper and just kind of scribble for a little bit. Just a little bit. Try to do it rather hard. So now that you have your pencil drawn, let's see if it's conductive. So again, you're going to take the white alligator clip and connect it to the graphite. Make sure it's really on there. Then you're going to take the black wire connected to ground into your hand again. So nothing happens. But make sure your cursor is over the video. What happens when you touch the graphite? It plays. Now pause it. That's kind of cool. Or maybe it paused and played. Depends. So why did this happen? Well, when you touch the graphite, the electricity transferred from this through the graphite to your finger, and then through your whole entire body into this black alligator clip. Then went through the wire, and by connecting there, told your computer to press the click. That's some really cool stuff, huh? And you know what's even cooler? Now that you've tested these conductivities, why don't you look around your room and see what else is conductive? You might be surprised. Not only does the MakeyMakey help you test conductivity in other materials, but it can be your very own game controller. So let's navigate to flappybird.io. It's one of my favorite games. So do that, and then you're going to take the white wire, and you're going to put it in your Play-Doh. See here, press me to flap, little Play-Doh. And then you're going to take the black ground wire in one finger, and then you're going to make sure your cursor is over the Flappy Bird, and you're just going to press this. And look at that, he's flapping. It's kind of fun. Challenge your friends and see who can do better. So Flappy Bird's really fun, but it's a pretty basic game. All you have to do is click. So if you want to play something more intense, maybe with arrow keys, you can actually create your own controller. So if you look at the MakeyMakey, you can see that there's an up arrow, left, right, and down.
These are your arrow keys.
So if you take the other 4 wires you have, you can connect them to 4 things of Play-Doh, and you could make them kind of in controller-esque shape, and you could play essentially whatever game you want. So go look online, play your favorite games, and challenge your friends, and have a blast.
You can now create amazing things as you explore your passions right now. You're ready to engineer incredible electronics, choose materials that can conduct electrical flow, design game controllers, and work with circuits. You're growing your brain, and you are on your way. Finally, before you get back to building more stuff, take a look at the catalog and choose what you want to explore next and see what you can do with what you've learned. Until next time, you rock.